Alright, what's up guys? In this video we're going to pick up some calculus here. It's going to be another integration practice video. This is going to be example number 52 of the integration practice series. Alright, so we're asked to evaluate the integral. It's a definite integral from 2 to 9. We got 3 over the cube root of x minus 1 dx. So the first thing you want to do is factor out constants. So pull those out. So we're going to pull out the 3 there, which is a constant. And it's going to be from 2 to 9, and we'll have 1 over the cube root of x minus 1. So always factor out constants. Now we do a simple u substitution. We let u equal x minus 1, which means that du here is dx. So we still got our 3 on the outside. We're going to change the limits of integration. And what we're going to be left with is 1 over the cube root of u du. Okay. Let's change the limits. So u was equal to x minus 1. So all we got to do is stick in the 2 and the 9. So if we stick in the 2, we'll get 2 minus 1, which is 1. And then we'll get 9 minus 1, which is 8. So the new limits of integration here are going to be from 1 to 8. Alright, so let's integrate this now. So if you don't know how to integrate 1 over the cube root of u, recall that 1 over the cube root of u, I can write that as 1 over u raised to the positive 1/3 du. And if you don't know how to integrate that, we'll move the 1/3 to the, move the u to the 1/3 up top, and you'll get 3 times the integral from 1 to 8. And it'll be u to the negative 1/3 if we move it up, du. So with a lot of these integrals that look complicated to integrate, you can use a little bit of algebra to rewrite these such that you can be able to apply some integration rules that you do know how to do. So maybe you don't know how to integrate 1 over u cubed, but hopefully you know how to integrate u to the negative 1/3 by using the power rule, which is what we'll do here. So you got u to the negative 1/3 plus 1. Negative 1/3 plus 1. I'm aware of the 3 that's out there. I didn't forget about it. Okay. It's going to be from 1 to 8. And I guess I'll stick the 3 out there. And so essentially what we're going to have now, negative 1/3 plus 1, that's going to be 2/3. So that'll be u to the 2/3 over 2/3, which I can write as 3 over 2, u raised to the 2 over 3, evaluated from 1 to 8. Fundamental theorem of calculus says I stick in the 8 first, then I'll stick in the 1. And we're going to get 6 if we stick in the 8, but let me prove it to you. So we'll go to the calculator. And we'll have 6 here. And it's obviously, when I stick in the 1, obviously it's just going to be 3/2. So 6 minus 3/2, or 3 over 2, that's 9 over 2. So now we take our 3 and we multiply it by 9 over 2. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 divided by 2 is a decimal. Doesn't give us a whole number. Therefore, we can leave the answer as 27 over 2. And that's your final answer. So your final answer for this integral is going to be 27 over 2. So we're asked to integrate the integral from 2 to 9. It was 3 over the cube root of x minus 1 with respect to x. The answer for this is going to be 27 over 2. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. All right. Let me know if you got any questions. Y'all take care. I'll see y'all next time.